You are not making the impact in the world that you can make. And why are you not doing this? I can most likely guess it's because you are scared of the actual light inside of you, of the power that you have to make that impact, and you doubt the fact that you have this ability. That's what's going on in your mind. And if you don't actually step into this space for yourself, for the people that you're supposed to be in alignment with to make this impact, you're going to lose out on a really connected and passionate life. And I don't want that for you. I was with a client today where actually more like a colleague. I don't want to call them a client because they're not a client yet, but more like a colleague I was with this morning. And we were talking about not impact in essence, but your piece to the puzzle. You've been brought to this world to do something here. Some of us, it's just to be a mom or to be, a really great student or to, help that person across the street. And it could be that small of an impact that you're supposed to make. But every single person has a piece to this big overall puzzle. And if you're not stepping into the space to make your impact in the world, you are probably not feeling aligned. You're probably not feeling like you're a part of something. Something is always whispering or calling to you to do something different, and you haven't stepped in. 2019 is the best time for you to start to maneuver this way. All of us are able to figure out what it is that we're here to do. And it might only be for the next 6 months or the next year or the next 5 years. I'm not saying you need to know every single piece of your life till the age of 85. I'm just saying right now there's a calling happening inside of you. Something that's aligning and driving you to make a different change in your life in any kind of avenue. But there's an impact that you're supposed to be making in the world that you aren't. Some of us, the impact will show up in our business models. And if you're an entrepreneur and you're not stepping into the new products and services that are calling out to you, the new connections, the new space, you are missing out. You're missing out. It's time to step in to make the impact that you're supposed to make in this world right now. Don't wait. Jump in 2 feet. Let's do this and let's rock 2019 to make that difference in the world that we're supposed to make on whatever level we're supposed to make it. Here's to a life filled with impact.